PT Intanwijaya International is a publicly listed manufacturer of formalin and formalin derivatives with over 30 years of experience and 2 facilities located in Semarang and Banjarmasin, Indonesia. One of our highlight products is one-step glue, a ready-mixed urea formaldehyde powder resin. The range of application for one-step glue includes production of wooden furniture, installation of wood flooring, veneering, and reparation of wooden products. It not only excels in bonding strength, one-step glue is also resistant to water, heat, and non-flammable with minimum cracking and shrinkage. One-step glue can also be used for filling hole, gap, or crack on wood. One step is easy to prepare and use. Simply mix 3 parts glue with 1 part water, or 1 kilogram of glue powder with ½ liter of water. No hardener is required. Then stir the glue mixture thoroughly until it becomes a smooth paste free of clumps. Now let's apply the mixture on wood for optimum result. Make sure the surface is clean, free from moisture, grease, dust, and dirt. Then apply the mixture thinly on the surface. One side is enough. Clamp or press while the mixture is still wet or tacky. Wipe out excess glue before it dries to prevent it from hardening and staining the wood. Wait about 1 hour for drying time and 5 hours for optimum bond. Don't forget to clean all the equipment within 1 hour. Now, let's test out 2 commercially available glues compared with one-step glue. First, let's see how the glue do against water and heat. This test shows both PVAC and solvent glue easily fall apart. Now let's see one-step glue. Even with more pressure, one-step glue doesn't break. One-step glue bonds stronger than wood and can withstand pressure of at least 44 kg per inch square on hardwood. The strength of one-step glue exceeds that of the wood itself. Even though it has been boiled for 30 minutes, one-step glue can still withstand a load of 50 kg per square inch on hardwood. This is above the standard of 44 kilograms per square inch or 7 kilograms per square centimeters. On this second test, one step can even withstand pressure of more than 70 kilogram per inch square on hardwood, far exceeding the international standard. Compared with PVAC and solvent glue, one-step glue has the most minimum shrinkage, making it suitable for filling holes, gaps, and cracks for wood flooring construction, leaving no space or holes could be inhabited by insects later. It can also be heat activated to dry almost instantly, such as in hot pressing operation, or could simply use to iron to instantly applying veneer. Because it has characteristics that resemble wood, one-step glue can be sanded and painted or stained like on wooden surface, making it suitable for your artistic projects. Speaking of artistic project, one-step glue could be used as filler. Simply mix sawdust with glue mixture, then apply it on the holes, gaps, or cracks. One-step glue is also non-flammable compared to PVAC and solvent glue. Now, let's see how one-step glue withstand the pressure of being pulled by 2 cars. Let's see the results. Here, we can see the glue joint remains intact, but the wooden blocks and metal brackets are completely damaged. This proves that the bonding strength of one-step glue is stronger than the wood itself. One-step glue is available in the packaging size of 250 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilogram, and 25 kilogram. In its original sealed packaging, one-step glue can be stored for up to 6 months at a temperature of maximum 30 degrees Celsius. For technical information, product samples, and dealership opportunity, please send an email to info@intanwijaya.com. Please also visit our official website www.intanwijaya.com. Thank you.